Good morning, everybody, from the Captain's Hideaway. It is RV Supershow Week 2022. Yay. We're pretty much all packed up and ready to get out of here, heading to the 2022 RV Supershow.
Yeah.
It's going to be our first time, so
it's kind of exciting.
Well, let's hit the road. So worked up every time we go for a truck ride.
It doesn't slobber as much anymore, though. It's getting better. Aww.
So you might be wondering why we're standing in front of a Grand Design Imagine this morning. You may be seen in our videos. We've decided we've enjoyed RVing so much, we've decided to do it full time and kind of give up. So we decided to just go ahead and give it the full send and go do the RVing thing full time. You know, we enjoyed sailing, but I think we've enjoyed RVing more. There's just more to explore, more things to see, and we've built our own campground. So
we're definitely gonna get a boat again. It's, you know, it just was sitting. I think that was the bigger problem. It's an elderly boat. It was just sitting. If you don't use it, you lose it, especially with older boats. So I figured, let somebody else enjoy her, you know? We could always get another one. And we will. I think we still have the little dinghy. We might sell her and get like a little whaler, like a little used whaler, you know, something small for right now. We still love the water. We're still sailors, you know? Oh, plus, this little guy was really uncomfortable on a boat. Actually, no, more the little girl. Him, I don't think he would have cared, right? What do you think? I mean, he was real little the one time we brought him over there, but she was just like she just froze.
This is our first Tampa RV Super Show. We are so excited to get out there, to see all the new product, you know, and see all of our YouTubing friends. You know, it's just going to be an exciting week full of who knows what surprises and seeing people and just meeting with, you know, RVers are like family, you know?
Yeah.
Everyone likes to get together and hang out.
Just
we like
enjoy
that.
the simple things in life.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what booths have what, you know, not just like the RVs. I can't wait to see some nice, cool RVs, especially Grand Design stuff. But I can't wait to see accessories and, you know, because usually shows is when they bring out their new stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll be exciting.
And I know a lot of things are changing now. Like everything's going
Electric, yeah, battery. There's like what was
lithium.
that lithium ion something or another.
New lithium ion system. So
That's it. Yeah, can't wait to see that.
about 2.5.
To get to Tampa?
Yeah.
Oh, we're only 2.5 hours away. Oh, okay. In the meantime, enjoy this ride. This is why we love this area, the Forgotten Coast, right?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Right now. This is a small little fishing town at the mouth of the Steenhatchee River. A lot of little marinas, restaurants. They have little festivals throughout the year, different events. We're actually going to be volunteering for the Fiddler Crab Festival coming up. That's going to be a lot of fun. They got a new rack and stack marina here. Good restaurants, definitely worth it. Check it out if you're in the Big Bend area.
If you are traveling on US 91, 98, and you're heading through Chiefland, or you're going to head through Chiefland, Florida, you have to pass by this barbecue place called Bill's Barbecue. No frills kind of place, but just like good barbecue. We always get the beef, barbecue beef. I don't know. It's just good. On like bread, on like garlic toast, and their sauces are good. Love it. It's like our tradition every time we pass through Chiefland now.
there's the amphitheater right there. And to the left is the fairground. All right, we made it to the Florida State Fairgrounds. We're all checked in, settled in, hooked up, and we're gonna go see one of our friends now, I think.
Yeah, I got a little surprise gift for our friend.
A little surprise.
Yeah.
So what kind of surprises do you got?
You can see it.
I wonder if he's here. Oh,
He's here.
he's there. We found him.
There he
Hey,
is.
it's Traveling Robert.
Yeah.
What's going on, man?
Here, you know, getting a little work done. Looking forward to the RV show tomorrow, and it's
Yeah,
gonna be a lot of fun.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna be. I think there's a lot of big stuff in store for this year, right?
Yeah.
A lot of changes.
It's gonna be much better than last year, that's for sure.
It should always be better than the year before, right?
Oh yeah. So what kind of surprise do you have in that box? She wouldn't show me, so.
I made little trinkets for ourselves, and I was like, let me make a couple for Robert.
Oh,
Little
look at that!
buttons.
Thank you. Free my RV.
And
Cool.
I made-
Fly Billy Can Fly.
yeah, I made 2 of those, and then these is
What
a
is
QR
that?
code that goes right to your YouTube channel,
Oh, that's awesome.
right? Because
All
I was,
right, thank you.
I did them for ourselves too, and I was like,
Oh, awesome.
Oh, that looks good.
So
So
you
we
wear
can just
your-
wear it and say, hey, how do I get your channel?
yeah,
Boom,
you
scan
wear
here.
your button here, and you wear the 1.5 inch right next to it, and it looks cool.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. That
Right?
looks great.
Very
We made ourselves a bunch too, see?
Yeah. All right, since the Tampa RV Supershow starts tomorrow, we figured now's the good enough time than ever to introduce our new RV to you. So
Oh, wait, no.
it's a Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK is the floor plan, and she's a 2018 model, and there's some differences between the 2018 and the newest models coming off the assembly line right now that we actually kind of like better than the newer stuff. So
Yeah.
we're gonna give you a little walk around right now.
And then hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to show you the newer ones so you
Yeah.
can look back and compare the difference.
Exactly. It's a little bit bigger than our older trailer. We were rocking a 17-foot trailer before. This is 32 feet from bumper to ball. Give you a little walk around here. So first off, the storage. Before we only had a little bit of storage. Now we got tons of storage. And it's locked. So this has got a huge pass-through storage all the way underneath. You know, don't mind all of our junk, you know, vacuums and tools, and I love the motion sensing lights they put in here. So all you have to do is open your door, put a hand in, and the lights come on. There's power outlets in here. We use that to charge up our drill, whatnot. Power tongue jack, it's got a little light on it. It's pretty cool. It even has a solar charge input. So if you have a external solar panel that Furrion makes, this will actually plug in right here. Moving on along, here's the other side of our storage, and I really love the panel here. It has all your connections. We got more power, cable TV if that's your thing, the salesman switch to shut off the power. You know, we got the fresh water right here, city water. You could do this and fill your tank. You just flip this over. I really love the spray handle, and you get hot and cold water back here. So everything's all neat and right on the panel. Another motion sensing light.
Can you tell me what the salesman switch is?
The salesman switch, it's basically the 12-volt shutoff. So when you're putting your RV into storage, you just flip that switch and it kills all power to the whole rig.
I was hoping it was
Yeah.
going to be something funnier.
No, freshwater fill. One of my favorite features right here, the black tank flush. Oh, makes life so much easier. If you don't have a black tank flush, you'll wish you had. It makes flushing out the black tank easy. Power for this rig, it's 50 amps. So there's dual ACs, and we'll show you that in a minute when we go inside. Another little convenience light down here. So if you're outside at night here, you got to come and pull a handle here to dump a tank. You got your lights right there, sewer hookup. This has got opposing slides, and you're gonna see just how cool that is. We got the Furrion backup camera. This works absolutely great when you're getting into those tight spots. Roof ladder. then my favorite part, the outdoor kitchen. It's got a little couple burner stove out here, a little mini fridge. It's not stocked with beer yet, but it will be later.
It's the beer fridge.
Yes.
It's the beer fridge.
There's even more power out here, and even more power outlets. Let's go inside and take a look around. Come on. Hey. Yeah, you're so happy to see me. Captain, he's kind of crazy. Get down. Get down. All right. First thing you notice when you walk into the RV, this long countertop. Your wife, your girlfriend, they're going to love this thing. If they like to cook, or if you like to cook, plenty of space. You're not cramped into one little area. Now, this is one of my favorite features. There's a little button here. This even has a televator. What's a televator, you might ask? It's an elevator for your TV. Check this out.
That's so 1980s.
Oh, it is, but it's so cool. And we're all set up with our Roku, with all of our stuff, our Netflix and HBO Max and all that.
Captain wants in the video. Right, Captain? Hi. Hi.
Apple's going to tell us a little bit more about what she likes about the RV.
How there's enough room to dance with my little boy. Oh. Okay, go lay down. Ah! Go lay down. Go. Good boy. Good boy. That's what I love about this RV. It fits that little guy. Right? Let me continue to show you around. As you know, and some of you that don't know, I used to be a chef. So kitchen was very important to me. And the little 17-footer, I wanted to die. Literally all I had was this much counter space to work on. Like, that's it in the whole kitchen. It's awful. So I'm so excited that this floor plan worked out to my benefit for two reasons. The lovely kitchen and a workspace right over there. There's so much storage. I mean, oops.
Incoming.
Got the microwave, the stove, big drawer here, 3 here, another 4 here, couple more cabinets there. Look, there's our liquor cabinet.
That's awesome.
It's just so much space. Then you move over here. The refrigerator's a little bit bigger. You got your pantry, more storage, another drawer. And yet for some reason, I'm still wishing we had more storage. This was probably the main reason why we chose this particular floor plan, because it actually had a workspace. And if you didn't know, Robert and I both work from the road, so I really, really needed this. 3 cabinets, 2 drawers, it's comfortable. It's real cozy. And that way Rob gets to use the dinette so he can have his workspace there. And this is Captain's bedroom. Oh, no, you didn't have to go in there. He's such a good doggy. I love the freestanding table and chairs. It's pretty. Like, it feels nice and open, but I don't love the storage that you don't get with the booth, you know, because you can open the little cabinets and you got the hole underneath. But, you know, you get what you get. You pick and choose. To get one, you have to sacrifice the other, so whatever. I love the trifold sofa. It's actually not that bad. Pulls out into a full-size bed. Pretty comfortable. They do have the theater-style seating, which is like 2 recliners. Would have been cool to have. Also, nice to have an extra bed just in case you have visitors. So, again, whichever choice was beneficial to you. Oh, it was also the ottoman to make up for some storage. See? Ooh, hey, don't look in there. Let's continue on to the bathroom. When we were in our little gray wolf, I would get out of the shower and have to, like, dry my hair in the kitchen. But not anymore. Look how much space is in here. It's great. There's storage and drawers, and it's a china bowl. And Robert doesn't hit his head on the ceiling. Real cozy. 3 huge drawers, a big cabinet, big cubbies here to put stuff.
So, continuing on here. From the bathroom, we head back into the bedroom. I got my lovely lady waiting here for me. Nice big queen size bed. Storage on both sides. And when you come on in and look around here, I love all this storage here. We got a big wardrobe back here. Drawers. Just tons of storage. We have so much storage that we just didn't have before. Plus, if you lift the bed, there's even more storage underneath there. So, you get the point. Storage, 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 storage. And then we even have a TV. So, here's one of the main differences between this is a 2018 model year, and the prior owner upgraded a bunch of stuff, but also the doors. We actually have real doors here. The new model, I wish they would have left the doors, because one, if with a pocket door, you can't have your TV directly in line with the bed. I don't know. I like things symmetrical. The new ones, they put the TV up on the side of the wall here, and you got to spin it out on a mount and all this other stuff. You got to go through all these gymnastics. When you're ready to go to bed or just hang out and watch a little TV, it's here. It's ready to go. I got our Roku all set up. But yeah, that's what it is. For those hot days, got that extra AC back here. So there was a lot of brands to choose from when we decided to pick this particular model. One was the reputation of the manufacturer. Grand Design has a very good reputation for the after-sales experience, their customer service. If you have an issue, they're always there to answer questions and help you out.
I feel like that's probably really important.
Oh yeah, whether you buy used, you buy new, they stand behind their product, regardless. And second off, the floor plan. The office area was a must-have.
Oh yeah, you'd actually be surprised how few rigs have any sort of a desk area, workspace, unless you want to get a fifth wheel.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I mean,
so that would have been the next step up for us, would be a fifth wheel.
Well, there was one that was a little larger than this that had a washer-dryer hookup, but didn't have a desk.
Yeah, so
it's a toss-up. This was a good size, few years old, good price, and good quality.
Well, this camper, it's got the 4-season package.
That's what it is.
So it's supposed to be good, from what I understand, for as low as 15 degrees. I'm not sure. But
Let's test it out.
Yeah.
No, I'm totally kidding. Let's not.
Well, I'm sure if you skirt it, you put some skirts around the outside edge.
Yeah.
If you're really in the cold, it's gonna help you out big time. The prior owner, they did some upgrades to the suspension. They put a more ride suspension link kit in. There was a few other little odds and ends that we really appreciated. Well, anyway, thanks for coming along on the tour of our new to us Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK. We're going to be bringing you a lot more Grand Design stuff here over the next week, so stay tuned to that, and we're going to see you on our next adventure. Bye.